this is the Action Figure Man. I am here to review an action figure, or action figure 2-pack. I went to Peddler's Mall today, which was a good experience. Only my second time being there. So I hope y'all like and subscribe to this video, and let's do this. Okay. Today we will be reviewing the Thunderbolts, U.S. Agent, and Sentry. One of the strongest Marvel characters in Marvel history. So let's unbox these bad boys. Okay. There we go, I think. Yep. Okay. So obviously we don't need instructions to Marvel Legends or action figures or whatever, because that's what they're giving us. And here we go. So I'm gonna get the shield out first. Oh my god, it looks really cool. This has like the little peg and the little hook thing to put your shield on. The John Walker. Here's John Walker himself. That is really cool. And his gun comes out too, I think. Nope. Well, why would they give us a fucking gun holder if the gun does come out? Never mind. I'm not even too mad about that. I'm just glad I got these because I can put them beside my Red Guardian and Yelena Belova. Here's his fisted hands. John Walker, U.S. Agent. One fisted hand and fisted hand number 2. So now let's get Sentry out, the one that I like the most out of the two. So here's shit. Oh damn. Excuse my language, y'all. Here's Sentry right here. A dude that can literally rival Hulk and Thor at the same time, I think. What it says in the comics or whatever. Hold on, y'all. This tape is hard to get off. Here's his fist. So that is really cool now. So now I have the second Thunderbolts, second Thunderbolts box or whatever, action figures. The two other ones in the wave. Pretty cool. Shit. How hard does it go in? Okay. Okay, there we go. I'll put this back in here too. That's really cool. So I got my Red Guardian up here too, and my Yelena Belova. I have to get their accessories too, so hang with me, y'all. Okay. Yeah, these all are in the same line. So, okay. I have some on this couch. Okay. Let me get their accessories real quick, if I can find my box. Jesus, dude. Bear with me, y'all. Just bear with me. My things are everywhere right now, and I don't know where everything is. Okay. My TV just went off, too. There it is. It was right here the whole entire time. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So here's the Red Guardian's other head. There's Yelena Belova's other hand. Let's see. That's not it. think. Nope. There's Red Guardian's other hand, or one of his hands, as a fist blocking hand. Let's see. Jesus.
I'm gonna give you this helmet short. Yeah? Put on it.
Bear with me, y'all.
I'm giving fancy pressure.
Good. There's Red Guardian's fisted hand.
The clothes Mama gave me.
Shit. I dropped it.
Sit.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
All these hands in here, though. I swear. Can't find nothing in here. Come on. Did I drop it somewhere or something? Jesus. Okay, now this is really unacceptable, bro. Same as her hand. Okay, I'm starting to freak out now, bro. So I should have another hand in there unless it wasn't. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna have to pause this video, y'all. Sorry, y'all, for keeping y'all waiting. I couldn't find the other hand, but the fisted hand looked like this for this one right here. So yeah, so I couldn't find him. My crap is everywhere. So yeah. Anyway, we got Yelena Belova for the Thunderbolts line. Then you got the Red Guardian himself, or Alexei Shostakov, and all of his accessories. His masked head, his fist grabbing hand, like fist blocker or whatever, and then his fist hand. And then you have the U.S. agent right here. So you got his two fisted hands along with his grappling hands, and you got his shield that has the scratches on it, which looks pretty cool. And then you have the Sentry with his relaxed hands on his hands already and his fisted hands. So that is pretty cool. So that's all I have today. If y'all don't mind, please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next go around. Thank you.